Box Office in association with LIC.
Hi, once again this is Riddhi with your favorite show Box Office. Directed by Shakun Batra, the much awaited Alia Bhatt, Siddharth and Fawad Khan starrer Kapoor and Sons gets thumbs up on Box Office.
तेरा बच्चा पैदा हो रहा है क्या?
अच्छा साइड पे ले मैंने नेट पे उस दिन कुछ देखा था।
क्या कर रहा है? चला रहा है क्या? ए आंटी।
हेलो आंटी।
थकेले जल्दी।
Kapoor and Sons is a saga of a dysfunctional family which makes you laugh and cry with its members as you become an intrinsic part of their lives.
तब तो तुम्हारा रास्ता साफ।
The songs to establish a easy chemistry between Bhatt and Malhotra. Both of them played a easy lightweight characters.
कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है
Siddharth brings an attractive vulnerability which he reveals slowly, whereas Fawad doesn't lift off the screen.
यार आप हर बात में मुझे ताने क्यों मारते हो?
तू हमेशा बच्चों की तरह रिएक्ट करता है।
शट अप यार, यू शट अप। नॉर्मली मेरी फैमिली ऐसे बिहेव नहीं करती। करेक्शन, मेरी फैमिली पब्लिक में ऐसे बिहेव नहीं करती।
Rishi Kapoor played the character of the grandfather with an outstanding performance.
एक मेरी मरी हुई फोटो ले देख, जैसे मैं
बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हो दादू। मेरी दादी जिंदा होती तो पक्का आपकी सेटिंग कराया था।
अच्छा तेरी मम्मी नहीं है?
The fact that Bollywood is now confident enough to give us a family which is not bursting with joy is a thing to be lauded.
Your own bloody marriage.
Kapoor and Sons is a new age drama which ultimately gave us that old message. It's all about loving your family.
The story is very emotional. I think that's the best part.
Awesome, classic, beautiful movie.
So good. It's a good film.
Well, according to the critics, audience and especially Incoda fans, we score Kapoor and Sons with 3.5 stars.
Kapoor and Sons since 1921.
This movie is a complete family entertainer with an universal appeal. You just can't afford to miss it. Well, that's all for today. I'll be back with another episode of Box Office. Till then, keep watching Encoder TV HD. Entertainment on the go.
Box Office in association with LIC.